showing you how to make fettuccine pasta. The things that you'll need are some fettuccine, some boiling water, 1 whole chicken breast marinated with half a teaspoon of curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Then you're going to need 1 full onion chopped into pieces, 4 grape tomatoes, 1 green chili, 3 garlic cloves, 1/4 of a ginger, half a bell pepper, 2 cups of oil, 1/4 cup of table cream, a bottle of pasta sauce, and some spices. The spices that we use are half a tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. First, we're going to be boiling our pasta. In a pan or a bowl, you want to add in your boiling water. Make sure you fill it up to at least half of the pan. We're going to be using this water to heat up our pasta. Snap the pasta in half. Make sure to boil that for about 12 minutes. If you'd like, you can add a little bit of salt and some butter. In a large pan, you're going to want to add your oil. After the oil is heated, you want to add in your onions. You want to mix that until it turns into a little bit of a translucent purple or brown color. Now we can add in our ginger and our garlic. You want to mix that for about 1 minute. Now we can add our green chili. Add your green bell pepper. Stir for about 30 seconds. We can add in our marinated chicken. You have to make sure this chicken gets fully cooked. So after you stir for a little bit, let it sit on one side and then flip them over. Now that our chicken is very cooked, we can add in our tomatoes. Now you can add in your table cream. Now add in your pasta sauce. Now stir. Like, you can also add a little bit of milk. You stir that for a little bit and then we can add in our spices. To be more spicy, you can always add more spices. A bit of cheese. The cheese is to help thicken up the sauce a little. Mix that in well. So we've added the pasta in and this is how it looks like. You might think that there's a lot of sauce, but the sauce is what gives it the flavor. You can always add more pasta if you want, but we've added this much. Make sure to let this cool down a little bit before serving it to others. finished fettuccine. We have put some cheese on the top for some extra flavor. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!
Bye.